dancing underneath the endless sky. All the colors.
Hello, baby! It's me, your mama. Ayun, sana a happy birthday to you. This is your first birthday. All I wanted for you is to feel beautiful and be confident all the time. I love you so much, my love. My one and only princess.
Emerald gold. The story's waiting to be told.
Hello, baby! It's me, your papa. Anak, happy birthday! Love na love ka namin ng mama mo and your little brother. Remember that you will always be our number one princess. Kahit maikli pa yung buhok mo hanggang sa humaba, love na love ka pa din namin. We love you. Happy birthday!
Lexi, hi, I love you. Happy birthday.
In a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Hi, Alexi. Happy birthday. Tito Sander, wish you a good health and sana maging lumaki ka na responsible at maging mabait.
All the little things.
Hello! Ako yung lola mo, Alexi. Ha, huwag mo kakalimutan. Hanggang sa lumaki ka, pakabait ka sa mama mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health at saka lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. At mahalin mong magulang mo at yun lang. Hello, Alexi.
Every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment. It's a beautiful life.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Palabas naman, Alexi at 1!
Floating out into the wild like
Happy birthday, Alexi. Masaya ako kasi nakauwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. And sana paglaki mo, makuha mo yung mga gusto mong bagay like yung mga regalo mo, ganun. And sana matupad mo yung mga wish mo and dreams mo. Ayun, happy birthday. Ako pala si Tito Lin.
It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look
Happy birthday, Alexi!
feel your heartbeat.
Hi Alexi! Happy birthday to you! This is your Tito Nes. Pag napanood mo to, pag lumaki ka na, gusto ko lang paalam sa'yo na maraming naglalove sa'yo. Happy birthday! I love you, baby!
Spinning faster, and we've got a chase.
Ito, matinslong! 1, 2, 3! Sinilin niyo yan, manang. Bahala ka dyan, ha?
Stars align. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's
Lang? Okay lang. Ready? Happy birthday, Alexi!
it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Look how we shine.
Happy birthday, Alexi!
Ang napili ni Madam ay rabbit, mga kaibigan. Isa rin to sa pinakamahirap, ha?
Happy birthday, Alexi! Ako si Ate Ika mo.
At ako naman si Ate Summer mo.
Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at may takot sa parents mo. At sana maging healthy at pagbutihan mo ang pag-aaral mo.
Lumaki kang healthy at may awa din sa Diyos. More birthdays to come.
We love you, Alexi!